CoConstruct is a construction project management software that's known for helping contractors and builders streamline their operations. But with all the options out there, is it really the best choice? In this video, I'll be walking you through the pros and cons of CoConstruct, giving you a full breakdown so you can decide if it's the right fit for your business. Stay tuned till the end, where I'll reveal how you can use CoConstruct completely free through our exclusive offer. Let's start with the positives. First off, CoConstruct is excellent when it comes to project tracking. It lets you manage budgets, schedules, and even client communication in one place. This makes it easier for contractors to stay on top of everything without having to juggle multiple systems. Next thing to note is its client portal. CoConstruct offers a seamless experience for both contractors and clients. Clients can easily view project updates, pay invoices, and even approve change orders directly through the platform. This enhances communication and helps build stronger relationships with your clients. Another big pro is the customization options. CoConstruct lets you tailor the software to fit your specific business needs. You can create custom templates, reports, and even invoices. If your business has specific workflows, you can adapt the software accordingly, which helps streamline operations. The fourth thing is mobile support. CoConstruct has a robust mobile app that allows you to manage your projects on the go. Whether you're on-site or meeting with clients, you can access all the data you need right from your phone. This adds a level of flexibility that can really improve your day-to-day productivity. Now, let's move to some of the downsides. First, the pricing. CoConstruct is on the pricier side compared to other construction management tools. This might make it harder for smaller businesses or startups to justify the cost, especially when they're just starting out. The second con is the learning curve. While CoConstruct is powerful, it can take some time to get used to all the features, especially if you're not tech-savvy. There's a bit of a learning curve, and not everyone might be able to get the most out of it right away. Next, let's talk about integrations. CoConstruct doesn't always integrate as smoothly with other software you might be using, especially accounting software. This could create some headaches if you rely on other systems for different parts of your business. Lastly, some users report that the customer support could be better. While CoConstruct offers support, response times can sometimes be slower than expected, which can be frustrating when you're facing issues and need quick resolutions. To wrap things up, CoConstruct is a comprehensive and powerful tool for managing construction projects, especially if you're looking for strong project tracking, client communication, and customization options. However, it does come with some higher costs and a steep learning curve that might make it less accessible for everyone. Remember, you can try CoConstruct completely free with our exclusive bonuses. Check out the first link in the description for your extended trial. Thanks for watching.